Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I ended up getting a new toolbox for all my machining needs, and I have these strap clamps here that won't fit in the box, but I got these extra holes on the side of the box. Well, let's come up with a bracket that will hold all them. We'll cut it out with the JD's Garage plasma cutter and see how it happens. If you make it to the end of the video to watch the whole project, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So I have Fusion 360 here. That's what I used to draw the program. And I just kind of came up with something that I think will work good. And it'll utilize the 4 holes that are in the toolbox to hold the top. Put one set of strap clamps here, another set over here, and the last set on the bottom. From here, we'll go over to the manufacturer page where we actually do the tool path, and I'll show you a simulation of what the tool path will look like. First, it's going to start out with doing all the holes. Then it's going to go cut out the middle, cut out the inside, then it'll cut out the outside. From here, we'll go to the open builds program. We'll actually talk to the plasma cutter and actually cut it out. So here we are. I got the open builds program open. First thing we want to do is connect to our Arduino in the controller of the plasma table. Now that we're connected, we have our program. We can see the 3D view. This is what it looked like on Fusion 360. We can do the G-code editor if there's something that you wanted to change, which really there's not a lot of things to ever want to change. From here, you can just run the job.